with JavaScript events. So JavaScript events nothing but user actions. Okay, so event can be something the browser does or something a user does. Like if you want to execute some block of a function, if you want to execute some JavaScript function, okay, when you click on the button or when our mouse hover on the particular paragraph or button or text box. Okay, so if you want to run the JavaScript function, okay, in that scenarios, okay, so we need events to execute the functions. Okay, so JavaScript lets you execute code when events are detected. Events can be something, the browser does or something a user does. Okay, so JavaScript, JS, let's execute, let execute JS function, okay, JS function when events are detected or occurred. Okay, so events are different type of events is there. So first one on click event, second one on change, on DBL click, okay, third one on change, and fourth one on mouse enter, and fifth one on mouse enter and out. Okay, on mouse out. Sixth one on key down. Seventh one on load. Eighth one on context menu. Okay, on context menu. On mouse down. Okay, on key down and on mouse down also is there. And tenth one on mouse over, on mouse. This is on mouse over, okay, and on mouse out, and here on mouse enter, okay, and on mouse leave, and 12th one on mouse move. Okay, so these are all main important events. Okay, so but we have number of events is there, but these are the important events. Okay, so commonly used events. On click event, so on click event example already done. Okay, so I have explained this example, so using this sign up form. Okay, so when you want to execute some JavaScript function, okay, when you click on the button, we can use on click event, okay, and equal to, so call the JavaScript function. so that execute the JavaScript function when you click on the button. So this on-click event is completed. This event execute JS function when user clicks on any button. And second one, this event execute JS function when user clicks on when user double clicks on double clicks on any button, not single click. So on click event is single click. So this is double click event. So here in this example we can use on dbl click. So now run this example. For single click event, this form is not validated. When you double click on this button, so this alert message is displaying. So this event executes the JavaScript function when you double click on the button. Next, on change event. So this execute JS function. Execute JS function when user changes the selected option of drop down list. That is select element. Select element. So now add one HTML form. On change event. So first options, select cities. Select city. Hyderabad. Pune. So here 4 cities is there and one button equal to button and value equal to get select city name. And on click event. Not on click event. No need button also. You want to get selected city name. So here we have on change event for the drop down list. That is selected event, selected element. Get selected city. This is the function. This function name where selected city equal to document target element by id. So here id also ddl cities. Okay, and dot value. So now we can display the selected city name in alert box. Okay, selected city. Okay, so when you change the city name, so directly it will display the alert message. So run this example. Okay, so Pune. Okay, so select a city name Pune. Okay, Hyderabad, Chennai. So like this, you can get selected city name from the drop down list. Okay, using onChange event, and you can do any functionality. Okay, using onChange event. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can do uh, different functionality also. And next on mouse over. So this function, okay, execute JS function. Okay, this event execute JS function on mouse over. Execute JS function when, okay, when moving the mouse pointer, moving the mouse pointer okay, onto an element, okay, onto an element, that is a text box or button or image or anything. Okay, on mouse over, and on mouse out, execute JS function. Okay, when moving the mouse pointer, when moving the mouse pointer out of an, okay, out of an element. Okay, that is moving into onto the element. This is moving out of an element. So create an HTML form. Almost over, almost out. Okay, two events. So here take one image. Okay, and source equal to here there is no image in our project folder. So let's copy one file. Okay, image. Okay, so penguins.jpg. Okay, so this is our project folder JS, and penguins are image is there. Okay, so give the source here penguins.jpg and alternate text image one and height equal to 200 pixels and width equal to 200 pixels. Okay, so I want to display the image size bigger when our mouse pointer, okay, moving on to the image. So for this, write script function display big image. Okay, so display big image when our mouse pointer, okay, moving onto the image. So for this, use on mouse over, okay, and when our mouse pointer out of an image, okay, the image is restored to the original height and width. On mouse out, display original image. So here two functions. Okay, so when our mouse pointer moving onto the image will display in bigger size. When our mouse pointer out of an image, okay, the image is restored to the previous height and width. So now, so we can pass this image to this function, okay, by using this keyword. Okay, and here also same this. So here, so my image is the parameter, and also this function. And now my image dot style dot height equal to 400 pixels, okay, and my image dot width equal to 400 pixels. Okay, same this world, okay, 200 and 200, okay, it is restored to world size. And now run this example. Okay, so when our mouse pointer, okay, so moving on to the image is displaying big size. When our mouse pointer out of an image, okay, the image is restored to original, okay, previous height and width. So like this we can execute the JavaScript function, okay, on mouse over and on mouse out. So same example for text box, okay, type equal to text box and id equal to txt name, okay, and on mouse over and on mouse out. Apply style, okay, apply style is the function, and remove style, okay, remove style. So write this function document dot get element by id txt name dot style dot background color equal to red color, and also text color is white. same as remove function. Okay, so background color is nothing and text color also nothing. Okay, so now run this example. So text box, when mouse moving, the text box background color, okay, and text color is white. Okay, so like this it will apply the CSS styles also. And next one, on key down. So this function also execute JavaScript function. Okay, uh, key when key pressed in the keyboard. Okay, when the user pressing a key in the keyboard. So for example, type on HTML form on key down. Okay, on key down. So here text box and type text and id equal to txt email. Okay, placeholder equal to email. So now I want to display, okay, text box text in the span. Okay, immediately I want to display the text in span. Okay, when you are typing in the text box, span result. Okay, so skip to function. Hmm. On key down example. Okay, that is the function name. So here, okay, on key down. Where txt mail equal to document get enabled by id txt email dot value, and again I want to display the text box value in the span. Document get enabled by id sp result dot inner html or inner text equal to txt mail. So now run this example. Okay, the text is displayed. Okay, so when you are typing in the text box. Okay, okay, so JavaScript, so it will display like this. So this is on key down event, and next onload event. This event, okay, execute JS function. Okay, JS function. JS function immediately after a page has been loaded. Immediately after a page has been loaded. Okay, so now, so I want to display some alert message, okay, when page is loaded. Okay, So some notification message. Okay, notification message, alert. This is notification text message. Okay, and this function is called in the body tag in onload event. Okay, so immediately after page has been loaded, this function is executed and displays alert message. Okay, so run this example. So this is notification text message. Okay, immediately this is executing. Okay, so unload event execute JavaScript function immediately after a page has been loaded. And next, on context menu. So this is some typical example, and this is uh, most useful example also. Okay, this event. So this is real-time example is if you open Google Drive. Okay, so open Google Drive. Okay, and next click on here, you click on right click. Okay, so when you right click here, so it will display the menu. Okay, new folder, upload files. Okay, Google Docs. So this is on context menu. Okay, right click menu. So using on context menu, we can implement this type of okay menu. So actually when you click on the when you click right click on, so this menu is coming okay by default, but we can remove this message. Okay, we can remove this menu, reload, save as all this one, and so we can implement this type of menu. So take on div tag, and div tag contains some information to display. Okay, and div height and width. So write some CSS styles based on ID or class we can apply. SD1 height 300 pixels and width 300 pixels. Okay, background color and the text color. Okay, so white color. So now remove this one. Okay, unload function. Okay, so this is the div part. Okay, when you click on this, okay, when you right click on this div, okay, so you can implement right click menu like this. Okay, in the particular area. Okay, only in the particular div tag we can display some context menu. Okay, we can find out number of examples in Google. Okay, so for example, on context menu equal to my menu function. Okay. mm, so just some display alert box. Just you click okay, right button. Okay, so in this area you will not get the alert box. Okay, when you click on div tag, it will display okay alert box. So this is uncontext menu. Okay, you can design like Google Drive. Uncontext menu example like Google Drive. Okay, so this is the right click menu. Okay, you can implement like this. So this is the example. Event return value false. Okay, so right click event, these options will not display. Okay, so this is the demo. This okay, so you can find it the demo example here. Okay, and JavaScript code. Okay, so here number of examples is there. Okay, so this is best example. Okay, you can design like this. Okay, next one, on mouse down and on mouse center. On mouse center and on mouse leave. Okay, so these both events also works same like on mouse over and on mouse out. Okay, works like on mouse over, works like on mouse out. Okay, and here on mouse move. So and on mouse down. So when your mouse, when you click on the mouse left button, okay, so this event is executed. Execute JS function. Execute JS function when pressing a mouse button a mouse button on a paragraph. Okay, on a paragraph on mouse down. So here in for div tag also we can work on mouse down. Okay, my function. So it will execute this function. Okay, when you click on the mouse, so we can display some alert box. You just click on div tag. So run this example. Okay, you just click in div tag. Okay, so left button event. So normal, it will not get any alert messages. But in div tag, when you click on left button, this message is coming. And next, on mouse move. On mouse move. On mouse move event. My function to and function my function to. um, almost more almost more example best example is okay, almost more. So here div tag is there. Okay, so we can get the coordinations, okay, of div tag. Okay, so where exactly our mouse, okay, in x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so these are coordinations. So actually this one, okay, so here div tag is there. Okay, div tag height and width. Okay, and border is applied. Okay, using style tag. And here paragraph is demo id. So this function, my function, is executed when on mouse move. Okay, so here is the event. So this event, on mouse event, is passing to this function, and here getting the x-axis and y-axis of client. Okay, client mouse. Okay, mouse x-axis and y-axis, and we are getting x-axis and y-axis and display that result in paragraph. Okay, coordinates equal to and this x and y. And finally, when our mouse out of the div, so we are clearing the demo. Okay, so like this on mouse move event is works.